Most people start by building a course. I think that's backwards. In this video, I'll show you the exact roadmap I'd follow today to turn your expertise into an online education business using AI. Your expertise is your most valuable asset, and AI should help you magnify it and not replace it. Let's start with the first step. Step 1. Start with your expertise. One thing I've noticed after helping experts build online education businesses for more than 10 years is that almost everyone underestimates what they already know. Before you build anything, you need clarity. Most people underestimate how much expertise that is already within them because it feels second nature. But what feels second nature to you may be life-changing for someone else. That is why I recommend starting with what I call an expertise self-assessment. So, ask yourself some of these questions. What do people consistently ask me for help with? What topics am I regularly teaching at work? What presentations have I given at conferences, churches, nonprofits, or industry events? What have I mentored people on over the years? What leadership or training have I been responsible for? And what experiences has God used in my life that allows me to help someone else? After this self-assessment exercise, now use AI as your interviewer. You can do this now or you can come back to this later. Open ChatGPT or the AI tool of your choice and ask it to analyze and summarize your experiences to verify the pattern that you might already know. Prompt AI and say, here is a brain dump of all the different topics I've taught, facilitated, and or helped people with over the years. I think the consistent pattern overall is X. What do you see? And you'll be surprised by what AI gives you. Often enough, your greatest expertise is hiding in plain sight because you've been living and breathing it for years. If you liked jumpstarting the process of taking your expertise into an online education business, I've created a free AI course creation starter kit. Inside, you'll find prompts and tools I recommend to begin and identify your expertise, validate your course idea, and start building with confidence. You can download it for free using the link in the description below or scan the QR code above. Now that you've identified a few areas of expertise, here's what you do next. Step 2, validate before you build. Now that you've identified a few areas of expertise, here's what you do next. Validate before you build. Just because you can teach something doesn't automatically mean people want to learn it. Before creating a course, validate your idea. Start paying attention to the questions people are asking. Search YouTube, read Reddit discussions. Consider joining a few subreddits to contribute to the conversation and or gather research. Join Facebook or LinkedIn groups. Browse Amazon reviews. Talk to people in your network. Ask them what they're struggling with. Listen and look for patterns. You're not trying to convince people they have a problem. You're discovering the problems they know they have, but that are a consistent challenge for them still. Validation saves you months of work building something no one wants and no one is asking for. By the way, my YouTube analytics show that over 90% of the people who watch these videos aren't subscribed. So if you are finding this series helpful and want more practical strategies for building an online education business with a human-centered approach to AI, take a moment and subscribe and turn on the notifications bell. That way you'll know when the next video comes out. Step 3, design your first offer. Here's where many creators get this backwards. They think their first step is building the course. It's not. Your first step is building trust and relationships. Start creating the content around your topic. Post on YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Share insights. Create polls on Instagram. Start an email newsletter and consistently answer questions. Pay attention to what resonates. Which posts are getting the most comments? Which videos are generating most conversations? And what topics are people asking and searching for? Those are signals for you. Think of every piece of content as planting a seed. Some seeds won't grow, and others will become the foundation of your business. Eventually, people will start asking, that is the problem I've been struggling with over and over. What do you suggest? Can I learn more? Do you offer any trainings on this topic? and that's when it's time to build. Because when you're ready to create and host your course, I personally recommend Thinkific. It is the platform that I have been building on and that I've trusted for years because it's designed especially for creators, businesses, and educators. If you'd like to check it out, you'll find my affiliate link in the description below. But remember, build the audience before you build the course. Step 4, use AI to remove friction. Now we know AI is incredibly powerful. And notice, I didn't start with AI first. I started with your expertise. And that is intentional because once you've identified your knowledge, AI can help you to organize it. Take your notes, your presentations, your workshops, voice memos, coaching calls. Brain dump everything into AI. Then ask it to help you organize your ideas, create outlines, summarize lessons, draft social media posts, emails, and repurpose content. Now, AI becomes your assistant, your co-editor, and your brainstorming partner, but not your replacement. The wisdom still comes from God to you, and AI simply helps you move it faster. Step 5, build community and not just content. The businesses that last aren't built on information. They are built on relationships. Respond to comments, answer emails, listen to questions, celebrate wins, help people overcome obstacles. Every interaction builds trust, and trust is eventually what turns viewers into students. Don't think of comments as interruptions. Think of them as market research. Your audience is telling you exactly what they need help with. Listen carefully. Then create content that serves them. That is how communities grow. We're living in a world dominated by AI. You can't escape AI and you can easily spot AI images. We are still humans first. And this channel isn't about letting AI replacing your expertise. It's about allowing AI to amplify the gifts, experiences, and wisdom that has been developed already. Your expertise is still your most valuable asset, and AI simply accelerates it. In the next video, I will show you how to transform your expertise into a course people are excited to buy without wasting months building something no one wants. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.